A competitor pricing shift report. 4-tier entries compared across weighted dimensions, 2 significant changes flagged, updated battle cards and talk tracks already written. This was finished before anyone opened a spreadsheet. Here is how it gets built. A pricing analyst at a mid-size logistics software company. 3 rivals restructuring their packaging at the same time. Per shipment rates and volume tiers shifting weekly. No spreadsheet keeps pace with that. The analyst falls behind, and the sales floor keeps quoting last month's numbers. A competitor restructures their professional tier overnight. Price jumps 232%, with new integration access and quadrupled seat limits. The Battlecard still references last month's pricing. A rep walks into a deal quoting numbers that no longer exist. They lose to a reality nobody on the team has seen. Spreadsheet trackers work at 3 competitors. They collapse at 8. Intelligence platforms detect that a pricing page changed, but do not tell you what it means. Page monitors capture screenshots. None of them compare tier structures across weighted dimensions or write the talk track a rep needs tomorrow. 2 pricing snapshots go in. A scored shift report comes out. Whether you track cybersecurity competitors, logistics rivals during a packaging wave, or supplier pricing across thousands of material codes, the same raw snapshots produce the same structured analysis. The dimensions change, the pattern holds. The executive summary tells you what moved. The price change table shows every tier, the percentage shift, whether it tripped your threshold. The feature changes section catches what a price-only monitor misses. Seat limits expanding, integration access flipping on. And the Battlecard section delivers positioning statements and talk tracks ready for the next call. Not raw data, finished materials. The Battlecard that is 3 weeks late is not a Battlecard. It is a history lesson. The one on the right references this week's price differential and this week's feature changes. The positioning is current. Cybersecurity, logistics, procurement, insurance. The report adapts. The speed stays the same. lasa.ai. See what a finished pricing shift report looks like for your competitive landscape. Your competitors already moved last week.